In this video, I will show you how to make your YouTube channel private. So make sure to follow along and watch this full video to learn how to adjust your channel settings, manage what people can see, and make your YouTube content private. If this video helps, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more simple YouTube and tech tutorials. Now to do this, what you want to do is head over to youtube.com and make sure you're logged into the correct account that you want to make private. Once you've done that, click onto your icon in the top right hand corner, and from this menu that comes up, you want to come down and click onto YouTube Studio. Now once you're on your studio, come over to the left hand side, and what you want to do is click onto settings just down here, and once your settings window is opened, come over and click onto channel, and then from here click onto advanced settings. What you want to do now is scroll all the way down to the bottom and click the option under the settings to remove YouTube content. At this point, it's going to ask you to log in with your details just to verify that it is you, and once you've logged in, you'll be taken to this screen here. Now on here, you can see there's an option to hide your channel. So if you actually give that a click, it's going to expand this. And as you can see, this is going to make your YouTube content and activity private. So what you need to do is tick the box, which is going to tell you what is going to be made private until you re-enable your channel. And you can also tick the box here which says your data on other Google properties will not be removed. Once that's done, all you need to do is simply click the Hide My Channel button, and at this point you're going to get a window pop up asking if you want to hide all your content. As you can see, it says this will make your entire channel private, including all your videos, playlists, likes and subscriptions. From here, just simply click onto Hide My Content, and that's going to make your YouTube channel private. So that's how to make your YouTube channel private. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.